Okay, it's Boxing Day 2010 and it's Poppy's first meal. She's 5 months and 3 weeks old. She's gonna eat my organic brown rice baby cereal. And she's got the bowl that her Aunt Sandra gave her and the bib that her Auntie Sasha gave her. And her daddy's home and he's gonna feed her.
Let's try this.
Charming.
Mmm, delicious. Yeah.
You gonna feed yourself, Poppy?
Good girl. Yeah. Yum. 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 Yeah. Yum.
Not so bad, right? Ooh, food.
Yeah, yummy. Okay, hold on. Let's put some more food on there then. Okay, together? You want to do it together? That's okay.
Is it gross? Totally
No,
gross?
it's delicious. It's delicious. It's delicious.
She seems to like it. She's pretty enthusiastic. Good girl, Poppy.
I know, I'm trying to get more food in there. Come on, baby.
I think she likes it. Good girl, Poppy.
Here's some baby-led feeding for you.
I think she's getting mad. She wants to do it herself.
You're filming, man. Just try again. More. More. Open. Good girl. Delicious. Delicious.
Is it good, Poppy?
Oh. How much you get? Shovel that in
What do you think, Poppy?
Oh.
Great, eh? Is this great?
Let's put some more food on.
I think she might like it.
She's scooping all up. Okay, open. Come on. Good girl.
Good girl. Yeah, way to eat, Poppy.
Probably should have rolled your sleeves up.
Maybe. Who knew she was going to be such a gourmet?
Okay. Ready?
She going for it? Are you funny, baby? You're hilarious.
Some more?
Keep feeding me. I love this stuff. Is it super fun? Is this super fun? Yeah.
You take a picture with my phone, maybe?
Yeah. Oh, I took some with my phone.
Oh, okay.
Do you want with your
No,
phone?
no, that's... Oh.
Okay, Poppy.
One more? That might be enough, do you think?
No, she's still happy. Do you like it? Yeah.
She ate a lot of it.
Is it good? Is it delicious? Yeah, it's delicious. You like that? You like that? Oh my gosh, she's so cute.
Okay. Well, there's a little bit more left.
Okay, our petite gourmet. Wow, that was messy. Look at the eyes. Give her back. Do you like it? Do you like it? Yeah!
Delicious?
Yeah.
Delicious? Oh, good. Oh, there's none on here. You only want it when there's no food on there. Okay. Okay. Here it is. Want any more?
All done?
Oh. Okay, last. Oh.
Good girl.
Good girl.
Yay! Yay for you! You are amazing. You're amazing. Yeah. Who's mommy's amazing girl? It's you, Poppy. You're such a mess. You're such a mess. Good girl. Bye bye. Say bye bye, video. Bye. You good girl. Love you.